Wonders of Africa. Most amazing places in Africa. Africa holds more natural wonders than any other continent on Earth, yet most people only recognize a fraction of them. This is the land where human history began, where nature still operates at full volume, and where landscapes feel less like destinations and more like experiences that reset your sense of scale. What makes Africa different is not just beauty, it is intensity. These places do not gently impress you. They confront you, challenge you, and then quietly stay in your mind long after the video ends. If you have ever wondered what the planet looked like before everything was shaped for convenience, you are about to see it. Sahara Desert. The Sahara is so massive that it changes how you understand distance itself. Standing here, the horizon feels unreachable, like the Earth forgot to stop stretching. What people often miss is that this desert is not empty. It is layered with ancient riverbeds, fossils, and the memory of a greener past. The sand shifts constantly, reshaping dunes overnight, which makes every visit feel temporary and unrepeatable. Yes, it is extreme, but that extremity creates a rare kind of clarity where distractions disappear. The Sahara does not entertain you. It strips everything back until you are left with pure space, silence, and perspective. Victoria Falls. You hear Victoria Falls before you ever see it, and that sound alone tells you this is not an ordinary waterfall. The sheer volume of water crashing into the gorge sends mist high into the air, creating its own weather system. At certain angles, sunlight bends through the spray and fills the sky with color, almost casually, as if rainbows are just part of the scenery. There is a raw power here that feels humbling rather than intimidating. You do not just look at Victoria Falls, you feel it vibrating through the ground, reminding you how forceful moving water can be. Serengeti. The Serengeti feels alive in a way that is difficult to explain until you see it. This is not a zoo. It is a living system where millions of animals move in ancient patterns guided by rain and instinct. The migration is often described as dramatic, but what stands out more is how normal it all seems to the land itself. Life and death happen openly here, without spectacle or apology. Watching a herd stretch across the plains makes you realize how small individual moments are compared to cycles that have repeated for thousands of years. Pyramids of Giza. The pyramids of Giza stand with a confidence that modern structures rarely achieve. Even after centuries of study, debate, and tourism, they still refuse to feel fully understood. Seeing them in person removes the sense that they belong to history books and places them firmly in the present moment. The scale is overwhelming, but it is the precision that stays with you. These structures were built to last, and they succeeded beyond imagination, turning stone into a message that crossed millennia. Mount Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro rises alone, isolated from other mountains, which somehow makes it feel more intentional. The journey upward is not just about height, it is about transition, moving through forests, rocky terrain, and eventually into cold, thin air. Each stage feels like a different world stacked on top of the last. What surprises many people is how communal the experience becomes. Strangers connected by the same slow progress. Reaching higher ground changes how you see the landscape below, but it also shifts how you think about effort and patience. Okavango Delta. The Okavango Delta breaks the usual rules of geography. Instead of flowing into the ocean, the river spreads outward, turning dry land into a vast network of waterways. This creates one of the richest ecosystems in Africa, where wildlife gathers in incredible density. From above, it looks like a pulse spreading through the land. On the ground, it feels calm and deliberate, almost gentle in how it sustains life. The delta shows that abundance does not always come from force. Sometimes it comes from balance. Table Mountain. Table Mountain does not dominate Cape Town aggressively. It watches over it. The flat summit creates a natural skyline that feels both protective and imposing. Clouds roll over the top in slow motion, sometimes hiding it completely, sometimes revealing it dramatically. From the summit, the city, ocean, and coastline unfold in a way that makes geography feel intentional. It is a place where nature and urban life exist side by side without competing. Standing there, you understand why people feel such a deep attachment to this landscape. Namib Desert. The Namib Desert looks like a painting that somehow became real. Its red dunes rise sharply against pale skies, shaped by winds that have been working for millions of years. Some areas feel frozen in time, with ancient trees preserved exactly where they fell. Despite its harsh conditions, the desert feels strangely calm and composed. The silence here is not empty, it is full of presence. The Namib proves that beauty does not require comfort to exist. Lalibela. Lalibela does not reveal itself all at once. The churches are carved directly into the rock, hidden until you stand at the edge and look down. What makes this place powerful is not just the engineering, but the intention behind it. Every corridor and chamber reflects devotion and long-term vision. The scale feels personal rather than monumental, drawing you inward instead of upward. Lalibela shows how human creativity can transform landscape into meaning. Lake Natron. Lake Natron looks unreal, almost artificial, like someone adjusted the colors too far. The water often turns deep red due to microorganisms thriving in its mineral-rich composition, creating a surface that feels more like art than nature. What makes it fascinating is how selective life is here. Most animals avoid it, yet flamingos depend on it for survival. That contrast alone makes the lake feel intentional, like it was designed for a specific purpose. Standing near it, you realize nature does not aim to please everyone. It creates conditions and lets life adapt or move on. Lake Natron challenges the idea that beauty has to be gentle. Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. Bwindi earns its name honestly, dense, misty, and layered with life in every direction. This forest feels ancient, not just old, like it has been watching humanity from a distance. It is one of the last remaining habitats of mountain gorillas, which gives the entire place a quiet importance. The terrain is demanding, but the forest does not rush you. It forces you to slow down and pay attention. Every sound feels closer. Every movement feels intentional. Bwindi reminds you that some places are not meant to be conquered, only respected and observed. Danakil Depression. Danakil feels like Earth experimenting without asking permission. Neon-colored pools, mineral formations, and steaming vents create a landscape that looks more like another planet than a destination on this one. It sits in one of the hottest regions on Earth, yet people are drawn to it because it feels raw and unfinished. The chemistry beneath your feet is constantly reshaping the surface, making the land feel alive and unpredictable. Despite its intensity, there is something mesmerizing about its colors and patterns. Danakil proves that wonder does not always come from comfort. Sometimes it comes from extremes. Africa is not a single destination. It is a collection of worlds stitched together by history, nature, and resilience. If one of these places stayed in your mind longer than the others, share it in the comments because that tells a story about you too. If this video expanded your view of what Africa really is, support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who needs a reminder that this planet is still full of wonder.